Hi guys, welcome to Eden in the Kitchen channel. Today I'm gonna show you how my garden looks and to give you a tour. It's my first time gardening and this is how it looks. This is the lettuce kale that bought from small plant. It's been a month now since I planted it and I already harvested, as you can see. And those are lettuce, small plants, and I already harvested, as you can see, and I already made food with it. I make a nice salad and a nice kale on the side dish. Those are my garden lettuce and kale. It's really tasty. And this one is red bell pepper from small plant that I planted. And I am using a lot of eggshells and coffee leftover. Every time I make coffee, I just use the leftover and I put it on the soil. That is a basil plant. Those are from small plant that bought from store and they are growing. At the end, that's the pepper, purple pepper, that's what it says, but I'm not really sure what kind, how it's gonna turn out, but we'll see. Cucumber, it looks great. This one as well, purple pepper, that's what it says. I'm not sure yet because I'm not familiar yet with how to plant. This is my first time. We'll see how. This one I regrow the green onion. At the end of the video you will see how I regrow it. This is the raised bed that I used. That's a metal shelf I had in the storage room. I decided to just put it on the ground and fill with soil and plant. This one at the end is zucchini. Looks like it's okay. Those plants are from small plant store-bought, are doing great. The lettuce, you see that one is a regrowed lettuce. We'll see how it goes with that. I'm proud of myself doing this first time and already harvested my kale and lettuce. The tomato you see here, it's regrowing. I just used from like tomato. I sliced the tomatoes and you will see the video next. This is how I did it. I sliced them, put them in the soil, cover with the soil. This is the method I used to regrow the, this is regrowing plants, I think that's how it's called. Basil, I already harvested a lot and I'm freezing them. I keep cutting it, keep coming. It's really good. This is chives. Chives is doing great. That chives came back from last year. Those carrots that I'm regrowing, as you can see, I cut the carrot. I put side down. I cut it, and as you can see, this is how it looks. And the lettuce as well. This is regrowing from store-bought lettuce. This is the green onion I regrow. You saw in the garden. This is how I started it. I hope you like my channel, my garden. That's my first time. Please thumbs up if you like my garden. Thank you for watching.